So the barbell bench press is a traditional strength movement that a lot of people perform when inside the gym. However, not many of us know how to set up for the barbell bench press in a simplistic way. So once we have the bench and the barbell set, we are going to place our eyes under the bar. Now with the hooks of the barbell, we do want our arms slightly bent. Next to that is then going to be the feet. We want our feet just behind our knee line, creating a little bit of tension in the lumbar and therefore in the torso. If you do feel a bit too much tension, you're restricted on range of motion, you're more than welcome to put bumper plates under your feet. Now when setting the hands, as you just saw then with the picture, we do want to be setting around about 1.5 times the width of our acromion, which is the little lumps on the edge of your shoulders. Now, the bar path, we want the bar moving away, almost down the body, and then following the alignment of like a candy cane, which you just saw. We do want it resting somewhere around about the sternum. And during the drive phase, as you'll see here during this freeze frame, we want to be driving simultaneously both through the legs and the arms. And you're almost performing a slight leg extension feel. We do want to be pulling the bar back over the shoulders as we go into extension.